This 4 minutes will definitely change your life if you apply these things in your life. This is from Garyvee. You can visit his official YouTube channel from the link given in the description. So here is the man himself, Mr. Garyvee.
But do I have the fucking obnoxious audacity? This morning, on a nice little Sunday, show him D-Rock, it's a nice Sunday, I woke up with a chip on my shoulder to talk about this audacity, this fucking audacity that so many people have, that they think that this one fucking person of 8 billion, you, I'm talking to you, that your judgment if NFTs is a good idea or not, or if collecting marbles, show it, or collecting old Transformers, show it, or fucking some cup from the 1800s, fucking show it. I went on a rant on Twitter to talk about this ridiculousness that people think the world is either or instead of and. You're so addicted with or. No, this is good and that's not. Like, collectible watches are smart, collectible fucking sneakers are smart, but Thundercats are not. Jackson Pollock good, sports cards bad. Sports cars good, fucking handbags. Who the fuck do you think you are? The biggest mistake I see right now on everyone's hot takes on NFTs is the culture of no and the culture of either or. If you dropped an M and an E, fucking post-edit this shit, Team Gary. If you dropped an M and an E at the beginning and the end of that fucking terrible word or and made it more, you would actually live life. The biggest issue in life is that people think it's either or, that their religion is better than someone else's, that their political stance is better than somebody else's, that their product is better than someone else's, that their content is better. Your fucking inability to understand everybody can get theirs, that we can all fucking coexist, that NFTs can dominate while sports cards and comics and toys. I'm going to the fucking National this upcoming week or in 2 weeks to Chicago, and I'm gonna buy a fuckload, and I mean a fuckload of cardboard, while I'm also gonna buy NFTs on the blockchain. And very easily, in my fucking heart, and in my soul, and in my brain, and in my fucking essence, sorry, I'm fucking pumped, D-Rock. In my essence, it's very easy for those things to coexist. And the shit that I'm not interested in, watches, sports cards, handbags, antiques from fucking Europe, and the other trillion fucking things, including, stick with me now, the other things I don't give a fuck about investing in, like, stick with me now, real estate. You know how many fucks I give about putting my money into real estate? Zero. Meanwhile, do I understand that some people do well, almost everybody, that's an icon in real estate and buy sports teams, Steve, like, do I understand it? Yes. But do I have the fucking obnoxious audacity to think my fucking one opinion of not being interested in making passive income in real estate is right? No, I do not. This world is an and world, and every fucking person that thinks it's an or world will continue to fucking lose and cry and fucking leave hate because you're fucking sad because you think the world is limited when it's fucking not. So figure it the fuck out. The world is about and. The world is about more. And the more you put passion into leaving little snide comments or thinking you're right over a drink or it's a fad. You said fucking social was a fad, dick. You said TikTok was a fad, asshole. You said the internet was a fad. You said you'd never get a fucking iPhone because you love your fucking BlackBerry. You fucking know mafia, this no mafia so many of you are, fucking sucks. It fucking sucks.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We request you to please subscribe our channel because we daily do upload these type of motivational content on this particular channel. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next video.